Good news for dancehall. Dexter apps have been freed. People, family, viewers, subscriber, Wagwan, welcome back to our brand new video. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, leave a comment and like this video. Hope everybody having a great night or day. So Dexter app now is a free man and everybody happy if you say Dexter apps come out. Yo, Dexter apps a man for the ladies. The ladies, I'm glad them come out so much. Them is like, wow, today's like a special day for the ladies. You know what I mean? Dexter apps have been freed. Dexter apps have been in locked up from April 8th. 2020 and now he have been released on April 30, almost a month, and his lawyer have come out and said they have charged him for nothing. They was wanting him for questioning, but that was a lengthy time. But I think the cause of this is because it was a state of emergency in Seaview Gardens, you know what I mean, and Seaview Gardens are coming to where it's a community where a lot of persons there, a lot of things going on in the community, you know what I mean, and Dexter Daps was being locked up. And what is very questionable is why did they lock him up for so long and why so much law enforcers went for Dexter Daps. It was quite a lot of them, you know what I mean. Jamaica Defensive Force officers, that's, you know what I mean, the police officers, JCF, Jamaica Constable Force officers, you know what I mean, a lot of police was there. I rank police as well. Blue you know what I mean, the brown suit one where I think they are called superintendent or corporal, one of those ones. A few of those ones was also there. Said questionable why so much go for him. You know what I mean? But a lot of person will be bad mind, and you know what I mean, you know, Seaview Garden is close to the sea, and Dexter Daps will probably carry girls from the sea and see her all around this where we are coming from, you know, come from us, no? Or we can them and Dexter Daps and the girl and probably around there chill, have good time, so forth and so forth. So that person at the committee probably see that and say bad mind Dexter Daps and say, yo, how him fear carry so much girl in a theme house, yo, go we clean too, go full of swag, and not because Dexter Daps full of swag and him clean too. Remember, so we clean too, no, so own a girl and one way. So there might be a lot of little bad minds chipping in person and say, yo, Dexter Daps have too much girls, so we have to call police on him and keep a hype on him because we don't want to take them girl. Because Dexter Daps, them man they love every girl, you know, and every girl love them. So probably that's the reason why the girls them have to be loving Dexter Daps so much and a lot of person being bad mind. But one thing Dexter Daps have been locked up so long, you know, I mean, I feel that it's circulating that Dexter Daps was having a good time in Hornsby police station. I mean, for all who don't know, Hornsby is in Kingston of Jamaica, and that's where the police station that Dexter was locked up, Hornsby police station, that which is a jail, you know what I mean, where he spent a few days, almost a month, you know what I mean, from April 8th to April 30. That's quite a lengthy time. Now, but the good part and the good news is Dexter Daps is free. The ladies are happy. This day is gonna be one of their favorite days, you know what I mean, and they're being probably in his inbox now, you know what I mean, and allegedly his lawyer have come on national TV and said they have charged him for nothing. You know what I mean? I think the real lengthy time of this act is because it is having a state of emergency in the community of Seaview Garden, you know what I mean? And a lot of persons would say, oh, why don't lock him up so long? I must say this. A lot of artists from inner city communities like Waterhouse, Seaview Garden, Arnett Garden, Back 2, you know what I mean? All of those places, a lot of artists have been watched under the radar for quite some time, you know what I mean? That's just Dexter Daps. You can check the whole history and the whole thing about dancehall artists where they have been under the watch of the radar from law enforcement officers, you know what I mean, because they're saying the artists giving the community a lot of things, you know, I'm giving back to the community, and the officers might say, yo, why them I give back so much to them community? And when Get Youth rise up, them always have hype on them and say, yo, them too close to them community, or whatever the case may be. But the very good news, Dexter Daps is out, you know what I mean, and now he can attend back to his girls. His girl gonna be at his house, so all of those bad mind elements who were calling police on him can now start again, you know what I mean. And Dexter Daps is a youth, he's a cool youth. You can't really look on Dexter Daps and some of the whole part things. Nobody would say that about Dexter Daps. Dexter Daps all sing for the females, having good time, playing pool with his girl, you know what I mean, teaching the girls how to play pool and having good time, you know what I mean? And like I must say this, a lot of girls enjoy listening to Dexter Daps. Dexter Daps can play at any given event, like a stage show, a party, you know what I mean, a festival, in a church, you know what I mean, at a wedding, at any good event, even at a funeral, you know what I mean, by his cartel. And Dexter Daps songs play a lot of places, but Dexter Daps songs play everywhere, you know what I mean. And this is a very good look for Dexter Daps, you know what I mean. And a lot of persons is so happy for him, you know what I mean. And when the girls are playing these songs, they enjoy themselves, go to the party, go to the club, go to playing pool and enjoy themselves, and that's the reason why a lot of person gravitate to Dexter, because the females are there with him. The females are enjoying themselves when they listen to Dexter Daps, and that is a very, very good thing. But why do you think Dexter Daps been locked up so long? Because it's very, very questionable why so much police went for him. But the most important thing right now is that Dexter Daps is free and everyone is happy. I think this is going to be one of the happiest days for the females, which is April 30. You know what I mean? A lot of people will not forget this date, April 20, where Dexter Daps was free and so forth. Right now, Dexter Daps is supposed to be in high spirit, and his fans is so optimistic. His fans is so happy. You know what I mean? And for all of them and them who have them girl, I go play pool with them can always vibe to some Dexter Daps. You know what I mean? And right now, the fans them happy. The fans them in high spirits. The fans them not gonna be down in any way or shape form. But right now, I want to leave it down below in the comment section. What do you think the Dexter Daps next move? You think they might continue to carry girls in them house and make the youth them bad man and can probably call back the police? Because that person have to say Dexter Daps are good youth in the community, so why him could have do? Only bad man people could have called him like the youth them on the corner. I see how Dexter Daps carry too much girl, and even though Dexter Daps give them things, them still a bad man. You know what I mean? Because you know people are very, very ungrateful. Even if you can do 99 good for them and do one bad, they must say, yo, the artist is not good for we and Ray. So that person might talk a lot of things that it is not true. But right now, the fans are happy like never before. And right now, what I think Dexter Daps will be next move. After going on show, girls come and look for him. And people probably see that and say, no, we're not into that. Dexter Daps, stop carry so much girls, so we're not going to stop call police on him. But right now, I'm glad for Dexter Daps. I'm not one of the females, I'm glad for him. And it is now the time for Dexter Daps to wise up and see that, you know what I mean, persons from the inner city, as I stated earlier, in the ghetto like Waterhouse and Seaview Garden and Jungle, all about those Tivoli Gardens and all of those communities where the police have, you know what I mean, always investigating them. You know what I mean, if you check the record, if you check the history, they have always been on their case. I think the time is now for Dexter Daps to move out of the ghetto. Don't turn his back on the ghetto, because from an artist, don't turn his back on his community and giving back to the community. I think the system have all eyes on them. You know what I mean? Because I never heard of Dexter Daps in any form of things like this before. And for this being the first time, you know what I mean, people would say, oh, them start take a set on him now, or whatever the case may be. But I saw them do it, you know. The system is a thing where they pre-get a youth when them start to make money, and the system is a thing that they try to protect their artists, in which is in their eyes, that is what they're doing. Well, that person have to say, yo, Dexter Daps is a cool youth, him just enjoy himself, party, go beaches, go a show, go have him shows, and when him go have him shows, and start bounce up and jump up on him and him liquor, and more time he just run and dive and bust him forward, and when him bust him forward, him come back on stage and dive again, and the girl him sight again, and him bust him lip, and when him bust him lip now, him say, alright, one more bust up, him just slide pan all him nose. So Dexter Daps is a youth, is a jovial youth, him just know for partying, giving the people good time, and that is what a good artist is capable of doing. You know what I mean? Enjoy himself, and make his fans being there, enjoying themselves. But when you think about Dexter Daps, don't feel like Dexter Daps is a bad youth, because you can't really look upon somebody and know if them good or not. You know what I mean? But one thing is always said by Dexter Daps is that he's always being there, enjoying himself. He stay close to his community, make people in his community be glad. You know what I mean? But right now, what do you think Dexter Daps' next move will be? You feel like saying if stay in the community or move out or whatever the case may be? Ladies loving Dexter Daps so much make it even better for him. You know what I mean? Females are on his side quite throughout his career. And the good thing about when Dexter Daps was locked up, it wasn't giving the law enforcers any form of, you know what I mean, pressure or any form of resistance to any kind of fight. It was there walking natural to the vehicles. You know what I mean? The community was there behind his back and saying he's an innocent person. But now the police see that Dexter Daps was a person that they was looking for, you know what I mean, and he wasn't having any form of thing against the law, you know what I mean. Anything is within, outside of the confines of the law. So now the police will say, alright, that youth is a good youth. We get the question what they want from him, and now we never hear nothing bad from him. Or those people that try to set him up. You know, people try to set up other people's life, you know what I mean. And that is a thing where Dexter Daps have clear up now. And Dexter Daps has a good lawyer on his whole side, and the lawyer went all out to get him out of this. But the ladies now can always go on them phone, DM Dexadaps and tell them see yo him want go beach with them or them want come link him on a Sea View Garden, and at this everybody go start watch the artist again. But right now, what do you think Dexadaps will do next? Move out of Sea View Gardens, get a next house elsewhere, and always come back, come look for him people, man can give them things, and for us alright. Me I leave a Sea View Garden now because them did search me already and question me never find nothing. You know what I mean? Because the artists love whatever they're coming from. They love the ghetto, they love the inner city. But want to leave it down below in the comment section when you think about Dexadaps. Do they think they want him for other reasons or purposes, or they just taking set on him now?